Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Selenium WebDriver is a powerful tool for automating web browsers, and logging is an essential aspect of any automation framework. Logging helps you capture and analyze the execution flow, identify issues, and troubleshoot problems effectively. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to implement logging in a Python Selenium WebDriver script using the built-in logging module. Before you begin, make sure you have the following installed. Import required modules. Start by importing the necessary modules, including Selenium and logging. Configure logging. Set up the logging configuration. You can customize the log level, format, and handlers based on your requirements. Initialize WebDriver. Create a WebDriver instance and log relevant information. This example uses the Chrome WebDriver. Adjust the WebDriver instantiation based on your preferred browser. Perform actions with logging. As you perform actions with WebDriver, log relevant information to track the script's execution. Customize the log messages based on the actions you are performing. Close WebDriver and finalize logging. Ensure you close the WebDriver and log a closing message. Run the script. Save your script and execute it. Check the webdriver.log file for detailed logs. This example demonstrates a basic setup for logging in a Selenium WebDriver script. Adjust the logging configuration and messages based on your specific needs. Logging is a crucial tool for troubleshooting and maintaining automation scripts, so make sure to use it effectively. ChatGPT.